This company is known for its famous beverage product, Old Monk, one of the oldest and most iconic liquor companies in India, Mohan Mekin Limited. Today in this video, we will cover everything you need to know about Mohan Mekin, its company overview, products and business models, financials, recent achievements, shareholding patterns, and IPO updates. Mohan Mekin Limited was established back in 1855, making it one of India's oldest alcohol companies. It was originally set up as Asia's first brewery by Edward Dyer in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. Later, it merged with Mekin & Co. and was renamed several times before becoming Mohan Mekin Limited in 1980. Over the year, the company has grown into diversified conglomerates with breweries, distilleries, and food processing units. It now operates key manufacturing units in Solang, Kasauli, Mohannagar, and Lucknow. From colonial roots to being an Indian household name, Mohan Mekin's legacy is built on trust, taste, and timelessness. Mohan Mekin primarily operates in the alcoholic beverage industry, manufacturing rum, beer, whiskey, gin, brandy, and vodka. It earns about 98% of its total revenue from its liquor segment, while the rest come from non-alcoholic products like juices, food, and glass manufacturing. Its major revenue driver, Old Monk, which alone contributes for about 75 to 80% of its total sales. In fact, Old Monk is not just India's most iconic rum, but also the third largest selling rum in the world. The company's business strategy is built on strong legacy brands, pan-India international presence, in-house manufacturing and distribution, steady exports to markets like the US, Germany, UAE, and Singapore. Here is what Mohan Mekin offers. If we talk about some of its rum, then we have Old Monk Supreme, Old Monk Gold Reserve, Old Monk Deluxe, and Old Monk White. If we talk about some of his best beers, then we have Golden Eagle, we have Lion, we have Black Knight, and now coming to its whiskey, we have Top Brass, Golden Eagle, Blue Bull, and also the Solo No. 1. Talking about its gin and brandy, we have Big Ben London Gin, we have Dr. Reserve, we have Triple Crown, and MMB Brandy. With the global alcoholic beverage market expanding, Mohan Mekin is well positioned with a diverse project line and export footprint. And now, coming to its financials, March 2025 revenue was Rs 2,151 crore versus Rs 1,930 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 11.45%. And profit after taxes was Rs 103 crore in March 2025 versus Rs 85 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 21.18%. And the EPS was Rs 100 in March 2024 versus Rs 121.18 per share in March 2025. With outstanding share of 0.85 crore, their market cap at the current share price stands at 1,852.15 crore with a PE multiplier of 17.98. Mohan Mekin plans to scale both domestic and international sales. It is investing in modernizing production units to boost output and maintain quality. With India's alcohol consumption expected to hit 11.45 billion liters by 2027 to 2028, the market is ripe for expansion. There's also rising demand from younger urban audience, especially for legacy and premium alcohol brands. And now, coming to its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of shareholding right. If you want to track Mohan Mekin's unlisted share price, get real-time IPO alerts, or access other top 3 IPO opportunities, head over to stockify.net.in.